face. My hair looks horrible. What is this? Okay. We are going to build this. This is literally 2 steps. This video will probably not be long. Wait, not right now. I'm making a video. Is this always gonna happen when I make a video? Okay, so this is a choice you can make. I colored this. Austin, I'm making a video, Austin. I colored this to make it look like this. See? This and this. This is the front, because I'm going to glue this on. Not glue it, but put nails. And this. Oh yeah. Fu Panda. I'm going to pick that up and this. I think you did. Then there wasn't an extra one, so I had to do this because Snake and Kung Fu Panda. So came with this too. This is a little messy because I made it messed up, but yeah. Let's show you how to build this.
This is where he lives, and all his friends died.
Okay, so step 1, you have to nail this.
Are you
Nail this together, and then next you have to put the nails through here, and you're technically done. You don't have to drill them in any place and in any order. In any order, you can put it wherever you want. You don't have to drill it or anything. And this time, I got a hammer. I'm just kidding. So I'm gonna cut ahead of the video. Oh, and stay tuned to see badges. Stay tuned. And by the way, you only need small nails for this whole entire thing. Oh, and it's a choice you can make. Color it or leave it blank. You don't have to color it. Hard work. Yeah, this did come with a nail pack, but I had extra nails from others that I have done. Make sure to watch those videos. And I'm still not done. This is very hard with the hammer. No touching it. There we go. Seriously?
Because you're just knocking the phone off.
Yeah, so it's much, look at this. Hi. It's much harder with this. Remember to check out the video that I didn't use a hammer. Remember to check that out. You can build this without this. Oh, you saw that. Put my initials. Oh, it's backwards. It's backwards because the camera. It says it's backwards because, yeah, it's backwards on the camera. But it says, if you write it backwards on the notebook thing, BUILT. I'm just going to say the whole thing. Built by Nyla. My name is Nyla. Okay? Little happy face. Okay. This took longer than I expected. And yes, I have drew with a marker on this hearts. So now I'm going to move on to these. And if you could see these little X's, let me see. You get a nail and put the nail through the X. See? Yeah, I hurt myself. But it's okay. So yeah, try that. Peace out. I'm going to show you the finishing thing when I'm done. Oh, and these things came in this. This is actually way harder than I thought. actually as hard. Did you see that? This one actually was not as hard, and if you look closely, the cricket from Kung Fu Panda is right there. It's a little bit blurry, but it's there. 2 more to go. Okay.
You okay?
I don't need this anymore.
Yoink. I'm gonna put it right here.
I can't find it. Maybe later on
I
will find it, but right now I can't. So
Yeah.
On the Tower of Ninjas fell. Yeah, and I really don't want to put it back up again. So yeah, there's this guy. I really don't know their names. Kung Fu Panda.
Put them up.
No,
Why?
because I don't.
And you have hooks.
And I remember the badges. There's this one, the dragon one. I will do my own dragon.
And
This one,
Jen.
this one,
I'll do it.
this one, another one, this one, and another one. Yeah.
Another one.
I really don't know what these are called. They're from something. They have a S on them. I don't know if you can see on the camera.
Yeah, I want to play these now.
No, not yet.
Oh, okay.
So, if you know, maybe,
By Halloween. No.
maybe, I don't know. I don't know this YouTube stuff.
Yeah.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Peace out. Peace out. Peace out.
Just kidding. I'm not gonna do that. He was under this cardboard thingy. He was right here. He was under there.
But yeah, you're not even.
And then I saw him. So yeah.
Now you're going to do it.
Yeah. Good thing I found him.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give you a big thumbs up. Look at all these. Yeah, I'm not really giving you a good look. So I'm gonna give, big thumbs up. I'm gonna now show you them for real. I comment down below if you know everybody's name of these. Yeah, found him. Yeah, I really don't know. Oh, and I put this one upside down. This tail was supposed to be downwards like this, but I put it, yeah. And I really like this character. I really don't know her name though. So yeah.
So now we grab these.
Maybe.
Ow. What did you like?
Bye.
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 Are you recording? YouTube, like when you're filming the video, if there's any bloopers, you cut them out and you put all of them at the end.
I don't care. I want to add bloopers. To begin this video, I know I said this before, but give it a ginormous thumbs up. Give it more than that. Wait, are these even thumbs? Wait, let's just pretend these are thumbs. Why? So scared. Why? Because we're gonna put that on YouTube. I'm doing bloopers right now. Bloopers? You don't know what bloopers are? Okay. I really regret doing bloopers right now. Okay. I feel like this face is too ugly. Stop. Okay, I'm just gonna stop the video. Hi. He was on fire. I forgot to videotape that. So yeah, comment down below Minecraft, and I will play Minecraft with Justin.
Oh, do it right now.
Oh, I thought you were. I thought.
5,
I thought.
4, 3, 2, 1.